Welcome to Williamson County EMS Stop the Bleed Skills. How to pack a wound. Wound packing is for bleeding from the neck, armpit, or groin. It can also be used on an extremity if a tourniquet is unavailable. You cannot pack a wound on the head, chest, or abdomen. Wound packing can be done with either the deliberate or blind techniques as discussed in our Stop the Bleed video. Hemostatic gauze is the preferred material for wound packing. If it is not available, you may use roller gauze, a t-shirt, towel, or other available cloth.
I'm Kristen Hullum. I'm the trauma injury prevention nurse for St. David's Round Rock Medical Center.
We'll start by exposing the wound and placing our fingers inside it. Move your finger 360 degrees around the borders of the wound. If you feel no resistance, the space is empty and should not be packed. If you feel body tissue in all directions, apply direct pressure to the source of the bleeding. Gather a bit of gauze around a fingertip. Advance it to the point of the bleed. Pack each subsequent bit of gauze tightly into the wound cavity while maintaining pressure. Continue packing until the wound cavity is filled. Once the cavity is full, add a mound of gauze over the wound and apply continuous, firm pressure for 3 to 5 minutes if using hemostatic gauze and 5 to 10 minutes if using regular gauze. Without releasing pressure from the wound, apply a pressure bandage. If it bleeds through, apply additional pressure. To complete your training, please attend a hands-on skills session. Contact your local EMS provider or hospital system.